The following portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Good Day Kansas. We're continuing here at Stutzman's for our Let's Grow It segment with Jason French. Jason, thanks for being with us today.
Hey, thank you.
Yeah, this is exciting. We're out within your perennials here. That means spring is coming, but these have taken a long time to get to this point.
They have, and you know, perennials are one of the first things we can go out with in the spring. As soon as the stores are open, we have them. They can take a little frost, a little freeze. Yeah. A perennial, it means it's going to come back year to year. So once we plant these, we should have them for a while.
Okay.
But these, some of the varieties of things, they have to go through that winter to produce their flower and bloom. We're joking, kind of the word of the day, vernalize them, and that's what that means. And so these have been going through that cool treatment all winter long out here. And now they're breaking dormancy, starting to sprout, and so that's the point when we'll start getting them ready to go outdoors, and we'll actually finish growing them outdoors for a little while before we send them to the stores even.
And about how much longer do you think these have to grow until they're ready to go to somebody's home?
You know, probably in the next week or two, we'll start moving some outside and getting them used to the real world. And then a couple of weeks after that, we'll start having them ready. So usually, you know, that first part of April, weather dependent.
Yeah, and so there's a wide variety of perennials.
There are.
Walk me through some of the most popular ones.
Just
maybe.
Right where we're standing, Columbine is a really pretty one. Some salvias. Another cool weather one behind us, Dianthus, actually starting to have a little flower. Things like your daisies and poppies and a lot of those early spring color you see are all going to be in those perennials.
Okay, and so I know you don't have probably the exact answer, but you know almost everything that goes on here at Stutzman's. About how many perennials do you think you create each year?
Oh, now that's a big number.
Thousands, right?
Yes.
Yes.
We have, I think, close to 200 varieties to choose from, and then a number of plants in each group.
Yeah.
So yeah, thousands of different perennials. And you know, that's great. There's ones that like a shadier spot, ones that like a sunnier spot, some that like it moist. So you know, you're able to find a nice perennial for about any location.
Yeah, that's great. So such wide variety going into those garden centers, coming pretty quickly here this spring. How can people find more information about you guys?
Of course, you're always welcome. Stop out at Pleasant View, but drop me an email. My email is the word questions@stutzmans.com.
All right, Jason, thank you so much for being with us
today. Thank you.
Yeah, make sure you check out some of these perennials coming to a garden center near you. We'll have more in Good Day Kansas coming up next.
The preceding portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
Hi, this is Ben Miller with Stutzman's Greenhouse. Since 1956, our dedication and commitment to your gardening needs has never wavered. The passion for gardening is not only America's #1 hobby, it's a lifestyle too. We're here to help you year-round with your gardening needs. Have questions? Email us at questions@stutzmans.com. And to keep up with everything happening at Stutzman's, please join us at Facebook and visit us at stutzmans.com. From our garden to yours, expect success with Stutzman's. This is our promise to you.
Stutzman's Greenhouse, everything's green.